Problem 16.4. A large retailer obtains merchandise under credit terms of 115 net 45, but routinely takes 60 days to pay the bills. What is the retailer's effective cost of trade credit? So for many of you that work in industry, especially energy, this is very common, where you have a large customer and they delay paying and they still want a discount. And so again, remember, there's a way to approach this as you could say, well, if you pay within the first 15 days, you get a 1% discount. The other way to look at it is if you pay between days 15 and 45, you're foregoing that 1%, but how much is that extra 30 days worth to you to be able to delay paying? So remember, there's two ways to look at it. There's a 1% discount, but then there's also how much do you save by putting off payment until 45 days. And this one, of course, takes 60 days to pay the bills. So first we want to look at the period rate. And you've calculated that already. And that's just simply your 1% divided by 1 minus that 1%. And so the period rate, or that is over that trade credit term, costs 1.01%. Next, we want to look at the number of annual periods. So think about this in terms of extended over the credit. So remember, it's this 365 divided by payment periods and discount rate, all right, or payment period here divided by discount rate. Now, what you have to think about is the retailer's period, which is that 60 days. So 60 minus 15. So it's every 45, and the way you can get to the number of periods is simply 365 divided by 45, which means there are going to be 8.11 periods annually. The effective cost of the trade credit. Now we're just going to get not the nominal amount or per period, but we want to look over the total year, that is the compounding. What's the cost? That's simply 1 plus our period rate to the power of, and we can put this in parentheses just so we know what's going on, 365 divided by 45, which will be that 8.111 minus 1. Lastly, let's correct this to a percentage, add a couple decimal places. And so we can see the effective cost of trade credit is 8.49%.